In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to your Shopify store. By the end, your Shopify products will be ready to sync to Pinterest, so you can enable shopping features, run ads, and reach new customers where they're already browsing. Start inside your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, open the Apps section and choose the option to add a new app. That will take you to the Shopify App Store, where you can browse and install trusted tools that integrate with your store. In the App Store, use the search bar and look up Pinterest. In the results, select the official Pinterest app. On the app page, take a quick moment to review what the app does and the permissions it needs so you know exactly what access you're granting. When you're ready, proceed by choosing the Install option. Shopify may show a couple of confirmation screens here. Just continue by clicking. Install each time to approve the connection and return to your admin. After the installation completes, you'll land in the Pinterest app inside Shopify. Here, click Connect Pinterest Account. You'll be redirected to Pinterest's business login flow. Choose the email option to continue, then follow the on-screen prompts. If you're already signed in to the correct Pinterest business account, you might go straight to a confirmation screen. If not, Pinterest will guide you through finishing the sign-in and bringing you back to Shopify. Keep selecting the email route whenever it appears until you see that your account is successfully connected. Once the connection is in place, Pinterest begins setting up your product feed and tracking so your catalog can sync and your store activity can be measured for performance. This initial setup and sync can take a little time, especially if you have a larger catalog, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. You can keep working in Shopify while this runs in the background. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're connecting a Pinterest business account, since that's required for shopping and ads. If you manage multiple Pinterest accounts, confirm you're using the right one before you connect. And if you run into permission or install prompts more than once, just continue approving. Shopify and Pinterest may ask for several confirmations to finalize the link. That's it. You've installed the Pinterest app from the Shopify App Store, confirmed the permissions, connected your Pinterest account, and started the catalog sync. Give it a little time, then check